Hey, so what's up, guys? It's Vincent here. I'm actually here outside running. I was doing a little bit of sport. I was training here in the park beside my house, and it's really nice weather here in Montreal today. So I'm just enjoying, taking some time to take some fresh air. As you can see here, there's a lot of families. Everyone is enjoying the nice weather. Alright, and I just wanted to pop in to let you know, I thought about you while I was running. And they often say that a healthy mind and a healthy body. So what I mean is that if you don't feel good about yourself, if you don't feel good physically, there's a lot of chances that you guys won't feel good mentally. And as we all know here, if you want to be successful, if you want to succeed in any kind of goals that you set in your life, if you want to be able to reach that specific goal, we both know here, me and you guys, that you need to be good physically, you need to feel good, you need to feel healthy. So I just wanted to pop in to let you know, guys, that if you feel tired, if you don't feel good about yourself, always feel depressed or no motivation, it's maybe because you don't eat well enough, maybe you don't do sport enough, your body is really weak, your body don't feel good, your body needs to be energized a bit. So take the time. It's a beautiful weather here. I don't know in your country or wherever you are, but take the time to do some sport, get your body moving, and I guarantee you that you will feel some results. For myself, I know that if I do sport, if I train, it will give me a positive mindset, it will give me a positive way of beginning my day or to finish my day, which will help me to have this mindset to be successful and be able to reach my goals. Why? Because I feel good physically, and at the same time I'll most of the time feel good mentally. Alright, guys, I just wanted to pop in and let you know what I was doing out here, and maybe give you an advice if you wanted to give a little boost for your mental mood, and give a boost to your little physique over here. Alright, guys, so see you soon. Hope you enjoyed this, and don't forget, get moving. It will impact for sure your mindset and your positive mind. See ya.